In this video, I'm going to show you how to claim your time play rewards in RPG Dice Heroes of Whitestone. So first you need to open the game. Now go to playtime here, and here you can claim reward for amount of time you actually played the game. So I played for 13 minutes, so I can pick all 3 of these rewards. This one, and this one. And if I would play for 60 minutes, I could get this one, then again 120 minutes this one, and 180 minutes this one. That's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leaving a like or a comment below.